My name is Hawa Usman Sani. I have a 9 to 5 job. Sickle cell disorder has it's been crazy for me, but I would still say alhamdulillah. I know it's not going to get the best of me just yet. I reduced stress. I know the stress I don't do. I know that utmostly my health is important, it's a priority. And I have dreams and ambitions. And I want to get them all. I like sleeping late, but then I know that this affects my health. So I try to limit that nowadays. I knew about Cedarcrest from my husband in 2015. I don't think I can go elsewhere just like that. I've had crazy experiences elsewhere. But when I said I came here in 2015 after my marriage, with my first pregnancy, I didn't use Cedarcrest at 2015 because I felt I couldn't afford it. So I remember coming here to do registration and then I looked at it and I was like, I left. I lost that baby. I had a stillbirth. Elsewhere full-term stillbirth. So it was traumatizing for me. Now Cedarcrest is like family to me because of the care I've gotten here. I've not seen any hospital. There may be, but then I've not seen any hospital that's given me that level of consideration alongside with professionalism, the kind of professionalism and quality that I desire in healthcare. I've been to hospitals being a sickle cell patient. I've been to so many hospitals. I've had so many experiences, negative experiences especially. But Cedarcrest has treated me like family. By 2017, January, I found out I was pregnant again. And then I came to Cedarcrest and I met the gynecologist. And then he got the briefing. And then luckily one of the doctors that managed me at another hospital was here that time. He took me like his daughter. So that is why I said they've taken me like family ever since I started using Cedarcrest. So from that 2017, that pregnancy was really challenging. It was just like the first one. I had a lot of EBT, exchange blood transfusions. I had too many crises. It was so bad that they can be discharging me now. I'll get home, another crisis would start. So by the time I was in my ending of my second trimester, the crisis was getting really serious. They had to put me on bed rest here. So I was here for 3 months. And throughout that time I was stable. There was no crisis. So there was close monitoring. They were also considering, I was worried about the bill. They went as far as to offer a discount. I didn't even feel the bill at all. By the time I gave it, I was thinking I didn't have any outstanding. Yeah, my daughter is 3 now. She's going to be 4 this year. The process, I'm very, very okay with the process and I recommend it to other sickle cell patients. Like, if you can, please just try and see how you can go there. It wasn't just one team that was managing me. We had the medical team, we had this gynecologist, we had the hematologist, and then I had an issue shortly, maybe after delivery. I developed the vein thrombosis. I was managed thoroughly until I was given a clean bill of health. It's a hospital of excellence. I am hoping to have another baby by God's grace. And I'm already talking to the medical team in Cedarcrest Hospital. I want to consider that not everybody will be able to still afford Cedarcrest Hospital. Because I've seen a lot of Cedarcrest patients that are in really dire condition. But I would like to tell them that over and above, fight for the best care. Fight for the best care, please. If you have to save for it, if you have to look for some Cedarcrest Hospital accepts health insurance policies, and then they are actually affordable, so that you can access good health care. Once you have a crisis that you see, okay, this thing is passing, water don't be pass Gary, don't stay at home. Just take your bag and go to the hospital, JJ. They treat you and you go back home and you continue your life. And see how you can manage your care so that you don't push yourself to the point of crisis, and then you know how to manage the loopholes.